Right, so with yesterday's announcement, it is time to look at building a bike for the Cheap Bike Challenge. Picked this up last night on Marketplace. Paid absolutely nothing for it, and in a minute you're going to see why. We're going to give it a nominal value of a £5 because I reckon that's what it cost me in petrol to go and fetch it. And I'm sure you'll agree when you see it that I've actually overpaid. So here we go. What we've got here is a Shogun Trail Breaker Free. A lot of surface rust. Pretty much every component's bound to be absolutely fucked. Looks pretty fucking knackered. Spent a lot of its life outdoors by the looks of it. Don't suppose this computer works. You never know. Lycra Tech. Ooh. Shogun seat post. Let's get up close and personal. Let's have a look at some of this rust. Oh my god. It's disgusting. What's going on in there? Yeah, pretty shit really. But it is chromo butted tubing, allegedly. So we might be able to build something nice with this. Well, not nice, let's not kid ourselves. We might be able to bring it back from the dead, let's just put it that way. Wow. Didn't look this bad in the pictures. But yeah, they're always like that, aren't they? Once you actually come and see them, they're not very good. So yeah, so we're going to, providing this doesn't present any major issues, we're going to build this one up for the £130 budget. I think that's what it works out to in pounds. And essentially we'll have saved something from the scrap heap so it can live to fight another day, and I think that's got to be what it's all about in the long run, and having a bit of fun doing it. One good thing, the seat post not seized. That moves nicely, so that's good, which is more than can be said for this one. So as you recall in my last video, we've got this GT Karakoram with a seized up seat post, and we've been asking for suggestions on what to do in regards to that, and we've had some good suggestions, so I thank everyone for contributing to that. But ultimately I've got another plan for it now, and all will be revealed in due course on that. So also we picked up this lovely little Cannondale M2000 the other day. 60 quid, total bargain. Lots of nice parts on that that are probably going to end up on that. Okay, as you can see in my garage, I've got a lot more room going on in here now. Lots of stuff in storage there, lots of parts. Loads of part bins ready to show us their treasures for this piece of shit. Workbench is looking tidy as ever, I can see. Right then.